Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to pre-plan the month of October in my 7x9 vertical planner. I have these washies pulled out. These two are from Simply Gilded, these three are from Fox and Cactus. That's what I'm working with there. I have this Patreon kit from Erin Floto Designs. It's obviously like witchy Halloween inspired, which is why we are using it. Very exciting. There we go, that's the kit. And then I have my stickers pulled out in my Planner Face reusable sticker album, ready to plan the monthly spread. So that's what we're working with. Then we want October. This half of my planner is definitely starting to get super bulky now. And let's start with our dashboard page, because that's often my favourite thing to start with. So I need my headers, which are here, and possibly banners, but we'll have a look where we're at. So what is the habit tracker thing like? I'm thinking that does want to be on a banner or some washi or something. And there are these like smaller book type banner things which we're going to use. So, right, first things first is we need to get the actual circle tracker down. So that's in there. Then we're going to pop in this. Are we going to go over? Yeah, we're going to go over. Like that, and then pop habit tracker just like that, and that's there. Then here we have some sort of task list, so we're going to put in a banner for that, because I've decided to get rid of my mood tracker. I just feel like it's not adding anything to my life, so what's the point in having it? Let's use this here. And we're just going to pull it all the way across. Now we're going to have master tasks or brain dump. I think we're going to have master tasks. We're just going to cover up that little gate there, and that's for the master task list. If there is any checklists, we will use those. There are. So I'm just going to use one of these purple checklists down the side to have somewhere to tick off, because why not? Might as well use it. And then up at the top here we will have my monthly goals. So I think the monthly goals sticker is quite small, so I'm going to layer that on top of there, and then this will go in the front of my reusable sticker album for now, and I will use that to stick in my pretending list from my power sheets. So that's it for this spread for now. So let's move on to our some lines a day, which goes at the back here. And we've got this daily summary script. And I think I would like to use this shelf banner. And we're going to tear the cauldron in half. And hopefully this will work. So we need to cover that up. And then try and line it up properly. There. Yeah, that works. But then we just need to move the whole thing along a little bit to centre it on the page. Should probably have done that first on reusable sticker paper, but I didn't, so we're just going to go with it. So that's for the title of my daily summary. So then we just need to write the numbers in. So we're going to go with these two colours, and so what I do is I pop in the number in big and I switch between the two colours. So it's like 1, 2, so all the odd numbers will go in this green and all the even numbers will be in purple. And trying not to make a mistake is super hard. I tend to always make at least one mistake somewhere, and it's very annoying, but it's fine. We make it work always. This pen is a bit more, this purple is a bit more pink than I'd like, but that's fine. And then in the same way, I use the smaller tip of the pen, the fine tip, to write in the day of the week. So October, I believe it starts on Friday. So we just put F for Friday, and so basically like the first initial of the day of the week to mark in what day it is. So that's space for my daily summary. And then we're going to just pop in a strip of washi at the bottom of that. So that'll sit about here. So down here I have a space for filling in my notes for my memory monthly. So the second Sunday is the 10th. So basically I just sort of do a similar-ish thing, and we go have the numbers down the side, and then but like I switch colour for each week. Does that make any sense? Probably not. I know what I'm trying to say, but it doesn't come out very well. We need to roughly split this into 3. I think you know what I'm trying to say, but I've lost the words. And I'm just going to use the brain dump header for it, although it's not really a brain dump, but that's kind of the header that works best. There. So that's that. And that is everything except our deco page and our monthly spread. So let's go back and deal with our monthly spread, but we also need to cut off the edge of this. What have I done with my scissors? There they are. So just cut that off there. Beautiful. So October monthly spread. First up, I will go through and pop the base of the spread down, which is my videos in the sidebar and date covers, and cover up the days not in the month with some washi. I've decided this month to not actually mark in work shifts, because I am working Monday to Friday and the same hours every day at the moment. That is going to shortly change, but I just thought for this month there's quite a lot going on. I just want a bit of a freer monthly spread, so we're just going to not mark in work shifts this month because I know what they are, and it seemed a bit pointless to actually mark them in. Okay, so whilst I'm popping the base of the spread down, I am going to chat a little bit about a social justice issue, and today I'm going to talk about sort of judging women for their choices in feminism, and that is sort of from judging women who are being staying-at-home mums. Doesn't mean they're not feminists if they are a stay-at-home mum. It is feminism is about allowing women to be able to make those choices, to do what they want to do. Just because you're female, it doesn't mean you shouldn't stay at home and be a mum. It doesn't mean you should stay at home and be a mum. It is allowing people to have the choice. And that's what it always comes down to in the end. Allowing people to actually make a choice about their own lives, rather than imposing choice on them and forced views on them. So it is perfectly acceptable to be excited about a positive pregnancy test. It's perfectly acceptable to be excited about a negative pregnancy test. It is... you are able to be an established and complete woman without a family. You are able to be established and a complete woman with a family. You are able to be successful in your life with a high-flung career. You are able to be successful in your life without a not high-flung career. It is about allowing people to make their own choices, and I think a lot of things come down to that. Allow people to make their own choices about what they want to do with their lives and their body, and you know, we're on to a winner, really. Let me know some other things that you have felt judged for down in the comments below that you should be allowed to just make your own decisions about. Okay, so that is the base of the spread. As I said, I'm not putting in work shifts this month. I just don't feel it needs it. However, I am going to mark in, I'm going to go away for a few days from the 7th, which I should have marked in while the time was sped up. I probably should use washi from the kit for this actually. Let's do that, because I'm not going to use the washi from the kit again, am I? Whereas that washi I will certainly probably use again. So we're going away from the 7th. We're just going, my sister runs a beer festival as a fundraiser for her church. Hopefully it will happen. And that is, we're going from the 7th right through to the 10th. There. Cool. So let's, you know how I roll. You know I go through and pop in the boxes first. It's just how my brain works. So yeah, I'm not marking work shifts because I'm just working Monday to Friday, and it just seems a bit pointless to mark them in when there is quite a lot of other things to mark in this month. So this just gives me a little bit more space to play with, to pop in other things to mark. They are, yeah, just popping those in. So that's there. Then, oh, there's a lot of things to mark in. Why is there so much? So this is to mark in Views in the Pews, which I'm just trying to work out what's for what. There and there. And then we also, this, as I say, like this day for example, there is so much. Obviously I'm not actually working these 2 days, but every other Monday to Friday I am working, so that's why I didn't see the point in popping in work shifts, because it's just off it, like my work schedule is regular, so I just felt why not just not mark it in for once. These boxes are actually obviously monthly size, which never happens. So got a few more birthdays. So I always like to mark birthdays in like the same way, so you can always tell, like when I put a billion of these little tiny flags down, that most of them are going to be birthdays. Then again, 18th is another big day. I think it's not all going to fit in. There's another birthday on that day, but I don't know where to put it because there is no space. Sorry, cousin. No, I'm sorry, not cousin. Sorry, my auntie. Your birthday is not getting marked in. Maybe I overlay these two things and then her birthday can just fit right at the top. Like that. That'll be fine. It's fine. It's not ideal, but it'll do. It's basically the 7th and the 18th. There's just a lot happening. So that just is what it is. And so that is all of the boxes in. So let's go through and tell you what everything is and actually pop the like character stickers or whatever down. So if you've been here for a while, you know I do a Facebook giveaway every month for top contributors. And in the 3rd, it's my cousin's birthday. Then the 4th we've got Rangers, so that's what all of these strips here are for, Rangers and Guides. It's half term the last week, that's why there isn't one there. And then it's also the applications open for the exam that I'm probably going to sit. And then Tuesday we have Guides. So the 7th is my brother-in-law and my sister's wedding anniversary. We are going to Booze in the Pews, which is the beer festival my sister organises. And we're also doing a Twinkle Thursday that day there. On the 9th, I believe a friend is getting married. I put that in there. And then it's their wedding day. And then we've got Rangers and Guides again the next week. There and there. Then we have a birthday on the 14th. The 16th is going to be live plan with me day, so that's in there. Then 17th is another birthday, put that in. 18th is Felix's 2nd birthday, it's also my auntie's birthday. Then we have Rangers, and also I'm going to do a sale in the shop to celebrate Felix, a flash sale in the shop to celebrate Felix's birthday. On the 19th we've got Guides again, and then the 20th and 21st there are more family birthdays there and there. Then the 29th is another friend's birthday. The 26th is my, there it is, I just flipped the sticker at myself, is my auntie and uncle's wedding anniversary, and the 29th is planner new release day. So it is the 2022 planners are coming out then, and that is everything. So that's how the spread is looking. I actually quite like the airiness of not having the work shifts marked in. Maybe that's something I need to keep up. I haven't actually used any washi from it that I pulled out other than that one strip, but that's kind of fine. Let's put some deco in. I don't know how much of the deco I want to use really. I kind of quite like the top just a bit airier, so I'm only going to put deco I think on this page. I don't know that I'm going to put all of it on. Maybe I'll just, there's loads on other sheets and stuff, but maybe I'll just use this one whole sheet and let anything else just go in with the leftovers, because I feel like that's probably enough what's the word? Probably enough deco to cover this page nicely. I don't know, let me know down below. Do you, when you have tons of deco, do you try and fit it all in? Or do you just accept that it's not all going to fit and just put a bit in? I don't know. I feel like today I'm not feeling going completely extravagant. So I'm just putting in this one sheet. And then also, then I can get rid of this one sheet. And that doesn't have to go into my leftovers pile. But if you look, like, this spread is going to be pretty full with just this one sheet of deco. In fact, I'm not even sure where this hat's going to fit. I think I can't even fit that hat in, so I didn't even fit all of that deco in. So yeah, that's it really. So let's write everything in on the monthly spread. As usual, I'm not going to write in my videos. I have planned them, but I feel like people like there to be an element of surprise, so I'd like to leave it blank so that you can be surprised about videos or be excited when they come out, because I feel like I lose the surprise otherwise, and it's just a little bit less fun. So that's it. That's there really isn't very much to write in without the videos, but yeah. So that is everything. So we have the habit tracker and master task list. We have our deco page. My tending list will go in up here. We have our monthly spread there. A little bit of foil wiggle, and our daily summary, and our little space for a bit of that's where that hat can go. Our bit for the monthly memory spread. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. Comment and like down below if you enjoyed it. Are you going full on Halloween for your October spreads? Here's what's left in the kit. Or are you, you know, I don't know, celebrating something else in your planner? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to chat with you about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!